Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Michaela. It has been far too long since I have filmed a video. A lot has happened, to say the least, since I filmed my last video. And so I'm finally able to sit down and film for you guys, and hopefully I'm planning that this is the first of many. So I have a very exciting announcement today. This is the most exciting video for sure that I've ever filmed, because today I get to announce that I am expecting. I am 24 weeks pregnant, and I am expecting a baby girl in July. So I'm so excited. It has definitely been a long first 2 trimesters. I'm still well into my second trimester. I have a few more weeks here, but it's definitely been more enjoyable than my first. I had a very severe case of morning sickness, and was pretty much bedridden for 5 weeks till around 15 or 16 weeks. So that was rough. But I'm not going to go too far into my pregnancy journey yet. If you guys are interested in that, let me know down below, and I'd love to come on here and talk about kind of what I've been through, because it's definitely not necessarily been ideal, but I'm so excited. She looks healthy, everything has been normal, and I'm so thankful. And so if you guys want to hear kind of my journey and what's going on a little on a more personal level, I'd love to film that with you guys. So I think it's really important for us in this kind of YouTube community to just be real and share kind of our trials and struggles, because we're definitely not alone in most of them. So let me know if you want to hear that. But I just thought to kick off kind of an exciting new season of videos that I would share a haul with you guys with just a few things that I picked up. I definitely have a lot more I can share with you guys. I just didn't want to make this a huge long video. There's just a few things I really wanted to share. And so I just thought it'd be fun to announce that I'm pregnant and show you guys some fun things that I picked up. We are having a baby girl, so keep that in mind. I don't have any baby boy stuff to share with you, but a lot of this stuff, the companies have stuff appropriate for boys too, and they're really great companies. So I will share that with you. I'll also share with you a little bit of a bump update, because I definitely have one now. Let's see if I can get it in frame. You can kind of see it here. She's getting bigger. She's growing pretty quickly. Let's see. I can zoom out. There we go. You can see my mess behind me, but growing quickly, so it's kind of fun. Kind of crazy process your body goes through, and mine has definitely been a crazy process, let me tell you. I feel like everything that's gone wrong has, only on the like pregnancy level, I've been very lucky that, you know, nothing's life-threatening to me or the baby. It's just kind of made life a little more difficult lately. So anyways, let's get into the haul. I will share all of that with you guys if you like, but let's go ahead and get into the fun stuff. So I have it all sitting. Sorry if I'm out of breath. If you've been pregnant, you know that's just a thing, apparently. Sorry if the lighting is kind of strange. It's a very gloomy day here in Washington, so bear with me. Hopefully I can kind of fix that in editing. But the first thing I want to share with you guys is the DockATot. And so I got this beautiful floral print. They have the cutest new prints, so I'll definitely link them below. They were sweet enough to send this to me, and I'm so excited to put my little girl in this. It's just so fun and floral, and these are so awesome. I know Kelsey used the one she got for Kenzie all the time. You can use it as a co-sleeper. I don't think we're going to do co-sleeping, but definitely if that's something you want to do, these are great for that. You can use it for tummy time. My big sister just had a baby boy, and so we've even used it for him as kind of like a little changing area when he's over here. You can also get a toy bar for it, and I'll insert a clip of that. It's just easier if you can see it all set up, get the full effect. But it's so adorable and super functional. You can zip off the cover, wash it, and so I know this is going to be amazing. My boyfriend is even really excited about this. He's super cute about all of this baby stuff. He's been loving it coming in, and he's the kind of guy that does all sorts of research on things. And so we just ordered our stroller, like slash travel system, so their car seat, and he did all the research for that, found a really fun one, so I'll definitely share what we got with you guys on that. But the next thing, as I'm kind of setting up her nursery eventually, I need to get on that. I only have 3 months or so left. I am so excited about this. I took it out of the packaging so you could see how cute this fringe is, but it's just kind of like, I'll insert a clip, but it's just this really cute kind of, I don't know what you would call this print, but it's very neutral. It's cream and black, but it's a Lorena Canal Rug, and if you're not familiar with them, they're really super cool company, especially for parents, because I mean, even if you just had like pets or whatever, you would love these rugs because they are machine washable. That's genius. I don't know why there isn't more out there that are like this. That's kind of my struggle with rugs. We're probably gonna be moving here soon, hopefully before the baby gets here, and so I'm hoping for wood floors just because it's much more sanitary when you've got a little one. And then this rug is just going to make it nice and cozy, and I can throw it in the wash if there's any spills or whatever happens with new babies. And they're also totally natural. They don't have all the nasty chemicals that they put in rugs normally. I know I didn't even really think of that, but then when I kind of read that, I thought of, when you get a new rug, it kind of stinks, like it has a really strong scent. So I love that if she's gonna be crawling around on it, that there's no chemical emissions coming from this rug, and it's beautiful. They have amazing prints. I definitely want some more, and they were so sweet to send this to me, so thank you to Lorena Canal. The next thing I found at Burlington Coat Factory, they're actually great. Tyler and I love to walk through their baby section, just if we happen to be at the mall, just to kind of see what they have. We've decided that we want to go with glass bottles. They're just more sanitary, and so we've just done a lot of research, and that seems what's right for us, and I think that's the most important thing when becoming a new parent. What feels right and the best for your family is what you should do. So if you're interested, these are BPA free glass. They're by the brand Born Free, and it's just 2 pieces. Comes with the nipple that screws onto the glass piece, and this was $14.99 for a set of 4 really nice glass bottles. And if you've shopped for glass bottles, you know they are on the pricier side, so I'm really excited to try these out. Hopefully she likes them. I've heard that bottles are kind of like, either the baby likes it or they don't, and it doesn't work. So I'm hoping to be able to breastfeed, and so we'll just kind of use these for what I pump. You never know. Another thing I got from Burlington Coat Factory, I already took them out. You can kind of see I have little baby dresses on a little rack behind me, and so I got some little baby size hangers at Burlington Coat Factory. It was $7.99 for a pack of 25, I believe, so pretty good deal, and they're just really soft, nice cream colored velvet. So love these. So if you're looking for hangers, I've got some at Marshall's as well, but this was a much bigger pack. The ones at Marshall's only come in packs of 10, at least the ones that I've seen, so I thought that was a great deal. The next thing is this little, it's called a Cutie Clip, and it is from the brand Ryan and Rose. I'm going to link her Instagram below. I follow her, the business owner's name is Lindsay, and she's amazing, such a beautiful mother, and I just like watching her stories. She's just super inspiring as a small business owner, and her daughter's name is Ryan Rose, and then she has a little baby girl also named Charlie. So they're just really fun to watch, and I love supporting small businesses. And this Cutie Clip is actually clips to anything like pacifiers, toys, or whatever you don't want just flopping on the floor if you're out shopping or at home, whatever. You can clip this cute little clip to their little onesie or whatever, or to their car seat, and if they do drop it, it's just going to kind of hang there until you can get to it. So I love these. I definitely want some more, and definitely follow her on Instagram. I love her Instagram. I love her Instagram stories, and so definitely check out Ryan and Rose. The next thing my sweet sister got for me, and they're these teeny tiny, let's see if it will focus on these shoes. I'll insert a clip. These teeny tiny, they're 0 to 3 months baby Gap shoes, and they're so stinking cute. They're white and blue, and they have little teeny tiny bows on the back. I'm finding that Baby Gap is like my all-time favorite place to get baby clothes. I'll definitely do a baby clothes haul. They're just amazing quality. I think they have really cute, unique styles, and so I'm just finding myself gravitating towards Baby Gap things. I'm also doing some like secondhand shopping for baby stuff, and more often than not, I'll pull something out and love it and look at the tag and it's from Baby Gap. So I'll definitely share some clothing hauls with you guys if you are interested. But I'm in love with these tiny little shoes, and they are from Baby Gap. The next thing is the Binxy Baby shopping cart hammock. I've already opened this up and taken it out. I have a picture of it on my Instagram. I'll link that below. But basically it is what it sounds like. It's a little hammock that has hooks on either side, and you just snap it into the shopping cart. It says it fits most shopping carts, and it's just a safe little place for you that's got like a buckle and everything here. Safe little place for your baby to nap while you're shopping, and leaves all the room in the cart. Also, this is a safe way to strap your car seat to it, and it can hold up to 50 pounds. So I'll definitely be taking this on a Target trip. They were so sweet to send this to me, so thank you to Binxy Baby. But definitely check these out. They have really cute prints. They have like a blue kind of tribal print that I was torn between this one and that. That's probably more practical because it's dark, and this might get stained if there's any accidents, but who doesn't love a good floral? Okay, and the last thing I'm going to share with you guys is the Ollie Swaddle. They also sent this to me, so thank you to them. But this swaddle is amazing. They have all different colors, but it's this really super interesting, stretchy feeling fabric. It's moisture wicking, so for my summer baby, this is going to be amazing. I got mine in lavender, and as you can see here, it has all this Velcro, so it makes it super easy. Just kind of wrap this like right at their shoulders and snuggle them in there. And then the bottom has this elastic attached to it, so you can just kind of cinch it in. And then in the middle of the night, if you need to change the baby, all you have to do is pop this off, open it up. You can access their diaper without unwrapping them and making them cold. The presentation is beautiful. I mean, you wouldn't even really need to wrap this if you were going to give this as like a baby shower gift. So, and inside it says, and they slept happily ever after. So cute. And then it comes with a washing bag, which I can see myself using for the swaddle and other little things. It's like one of those mesh bags, so that way the Velcro stays nice and the blanket doesn't get snagged. So you can just toss it in there. But I definitely will use this bag for other things. These are great little things to have on hand, these little laundry bags. So I am thoroughly out of breath, and that was a lot of things to share with you guys. I kind of want to tell you my ideas for videos, and you guys let me know what you want to see first. I have a diaper bag that I want to show you guys and review. I have some maternity clothing that I have that I would like to share with you guys and review, because maternity clothing has been a nightmare to find. I'm finally in the stage where that's like regular clothes isn't really an option right now. So I found some good things, so I want to share that with you guys. Also some ideas for your registries, or if you're attending any baby showers, some ideas for you guys for that. I've also made the transition to natural beauty products. Being pregnant has just kind of made me more aware of what I'm putting in my body and on my body, and so I've totally switched over my routine to organic, non-toxic natural beauty products. So all my makeup today is non-toxic beauty, which was a huge change for me because I've been a huge makeup hoarder for years, and so to completely switch gears and change to natural products has been quite a process, and I've found good things and bad things, so I definitely want to share those with you guys. And so I have lots of ideas, and I just want to know what you guys want to see next. I'll definitely be filming all of them here in the coming weeks, but definitely let me know what you want to see, or if you have any other ideas. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to put up pregnancy videos and mommy videos for you guys, and also other things like things to help pamper you as you go through this pregnancy process. I found a lot of things that have helped me and my struggles, so I definitely want to share that with you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment below, even if you just want to say hi. Let me know what you want to see next. Follow me on Instagram. I'm posting a lot of baby stuff over there now too, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on our next video, and we'll see you in our next one very soon. Bye.